In this video, we show how to replace a Riser F1B in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover and the front cover. To remove the F1B riser, start by disconnecting the riser cable. Pull the blue latch on the riser to disengage from the slot and then lift the riser away from the system. To install the F1B riser, make sure the riser latch is unlocked. Now align and gently lower the riser until it firmly sits. Push the riser latch to the lock position and then reconnect the riser cables. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.